Oh no!
Oh my God!
I'm a Wario. I'm gonna win.
So I missed.
Wah!
You want fun? Wario show you fun.
Excellent! Why, ya!
Here I come.
I am going to stab.
Living with Wario, I guess. I don't know. So we have all of Frank's information. Oh my goodness, my stomach, guys. My stomach, the bathroom is not far away. Huh? Ow!
Максимально аккуратно, хуяк пошел в хлоп, стоишь, блядь!
This stinks. But look guys, look. It's one of my greatest achievements. Sure. Wario Land 4 on the Game Boy Advance. And look guys, look, the Virtual Boy. Ultimate Classic System. Guys, you remember Wario Land? Incredible, incredible.
Oh yeah.
I win!
Wait, oh my goodness, I feel the stuff coming down my buttocks. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I got to get to the door. I just got to get to the door. Bye, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. And the next episode will be with me using the toilet. Oh, my goodness, guys. It's running down my buttocks. I need to get to the bathroom. It's coming. It's coming.
Yahoo!
It is I, Wario Land on the PC. Oh my God!
My mustache has deemed that you get my Wario steam!
Beautiful!
Wario, the legend.
Good luck to me! Have a rotten day!